B's on the table, B's on the table, B's on the table, B's on the table.
Big S go in the building, man. How we doing, man? Yeah. Man, hold on, man. Hey, look, black to white. It's been copying my whole fit, man. White on the white on black, man.
Please don't hit set on none of that. There's no need to check with a temperature.
Gosh, got 81% on Tesla, 90% Tesla.
Stop worrying about the price tag and how much money this ticket costs. How much it costs to go out there? No. How much would it cost you to not find a business partner that you could make multi-millions of dollars with? You know, the return on investment is unlimited, you know? So, and then if I don't happen to meet anybody, cool, I'm out like $2,000. We made that shit in the market today. Like,
Yes, sir, man. What's good, my dog? Sheesh. My boy Drake put up in that lamb ski. You know what I'm saying? Nah, you good. What we on, bro?
Dog, this is Ron.
What's good?
Another day trader, man. You know, not your boys, you gotta do, you gotta link up, man.
You know we gotta get down, man. All white affair today. You gotta come trim. You know, my boy put up in that lamb ski. I be feeling, man.
You feeling good, bro. Got it.
Hey, man, listen, you're about to go ahead and catch a quick day flight. It's super spontaneous, but whenever you trade, this is the power of trading. You can literally do whatever you want. Hey, man, one trade pays for it too, man. So
That's all it takes.
we'll see you over there, man. Let's get it. I'm gonna tell you right now, whenever you start trading, you literally can just do whatever you want in this life. Because for me, if I was to be working my job like I was a couple years ago, to book a quick flight for $500, nah, I'm not doing that. All right, things have changed, man. So I'm gonna see when we touch down. See, this is the power of having some good credit. Anywhere I fly to, I get hotels for free. You see, I should have spent about $200 in this hotel, but as you can see, I'm able to go to any hotel for free due to having great credit. And whenever you spend money, never ever use a debit card. I'm gonna tell you right now, if right now you're using your debit cards right now in this day and age, you're playing it backwards. I spend so much money every single month on all types of stuff, and I get paid credit card points every single time, right? So any type of hotels I wanna fly to, or any place I want to stay, any hotels, flights, whatever, you can basically go for free. So you literally can do whatever you want when you know how to properly manage your finances and your investments. So, yeah. If you ever see me in like a luxury stay, a luxury hotel, it's probably free. So yeah, don't try to copy us because I'm not paying for it. Downtown Atlanta, a little beautiful hotel, little vibes, you know. We're here for the whole weekend, InvestFest weekend, but I might extend, see how the vibes is hitting for, you know. So we'll see a whole little, Atlanta tour. Starting with day one. So yeah, let's check in. Let's niggas start killing
Guys, currently printing on Tesla right now, a little 40%, getting some really good volume, stimulating momentum off this low level. We just took out that high right there. Essentially, we kind of want to see if we can keep on pushing above this low level, guys, to 330. We're really close to 330 here on Tesla right now. Let's see if we can go ahead and do it. Man, one thing about trading is you can be anywhere in the world printing a bag. I paid about $1,000 for this trip so far. I already made $1,000 in the market today. I made $2,900 yesterday trading. So I kind of want to see if we can get another trade in. As we can see, Tesla's printing right now. Look at them, shower guys. Oh yeah, we are printing on. Look at that, 63% on Tesla right now. I went to my chat, 10% trailing stop loss order. I'm telling y'all, man, we're not coming to play whatsoever, man. Trades today were banging in. 70% on Tesla right now. And flying. Oh my gosh, guys, 81% on Tesla, 90% Tesla. That thing is going crazy. Yo, we're gonna hit 100% on Tesla, guys, at this rate. People, they forget to put in a trailing stop loss, so they want to just they want to micromanage all their positions. When I put in a trailing stop loss, the market just continues to fly, and it keeps me good margin. So look, it just took me on Tesla, guys, here for 90%. Simple, clean, guys. Guys, I just paid for my flight, man. Shout out to the market. Well, I paid for my flight the first trade on SpaceX today. Now we just pay for our accommodations. Day one of InvestFest, about to shower and a cool 1.3K trading this morning. It was amazing. Don't mind me. I'm just showing y'all a realistic day in the life. Now I'm about to go ahead and experience like what Atlanta has to offer. We're in like a little beautiful hotel right now. You can see. We're in downtown Atlanta. It's not Atlanta no more. It's Atlanta. All right. I'm gonna get like a little pre-InvestFest pumping really quick. Fellas, you know what I'm talking about. You get the pump in motion. Woo! Now we're ready to hit the road, man. All right, boom.
This is InvestFest Day 1 fit. You know, we go white on white with the product dons on the bottom, the black undergarments, you know. Got my little electronic bands coming to pull up here for the relay. So I'm about to go ahead and experience the life here at InvestFest. Like a lot of little nice little cars in this little, you know, garage. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what they got cooking up here. Got like a little, what's this? A little Maybach on them. You know, Maybach, you know, with the little Bentayga combination. You know, some casual, some calm. So we're gonna see who I'm gonna connect with, who I'm gonna network with. Here we go, nice, the vehicle. Yes, sir. You know, I gotta come electronic on them, you know. So it's something different every time. But it's good, man, it's good. How you doing, bro? Thank you, man, thank you, man. All right, so boy just made it right now to the InvestFest right now. You know we had to come trim all white to presidentiality. You know, we're not coming the same as people, you know. I'm coming in all white. My boy called me right now. Let me see what he about to say for me. My bro, where you at?
I'm right out front.
Out front? Let me see. Where you at? But you in the vlog right now, man. Say what's good.
I already know the vibes, man. What's going on? You know niggas out there.
Yeah, man. Well, look, I'm looking at right now. Hey, what's good, man? Talk to him, man. Hold on, man. Hey, look, black to white. This man copied my whole fit, man. White on black, man. Can't make it up. Hey, let's
Great minds think alike, man.
I'm gonna put up trim, man. Let's see what's up though, man, with the vibe. Right. Big Esco in the building, man. How we doing, man? Yeah. Had to come trim. You feel me? My dog. What's poppin', man? Hey.
What's your strategy?
It's hard to say. It's you know, it depends, but I'm definitely looking for like liquidity sweeps.
Okay.
I feel like if people are new traders, like knowing how the market really works, like market structure, right?
Right.
Higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, easy, right? But looking for like those runs on liquidity is like where the money is really sitting in the market. So
Right.
I kind of go for like type of, I'm kind of like a more short-term investor. I day trade. Long-term is cool, yes, but on a short time frame, liquidity to me is probably everything, you know?
Oh, yeah. Especially like for scalps where you're looking for those faster pushes,
Right.
that's going to be huge.
Right, man, let's get it.
Look at these niggas. Niggas don't know what they do on the road. This is the prime example of driving in Atlanta, man. I even missed my turn. Anyways, look, it's been a great day so far. Just what, today's Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. I'm up right now about $2,400 trading in the market. And now we're gonna be spending the weekend in Atlanta for InvestFest. As we had to come correct. And we're about to go ahead and just probably like, I don't know, I've heard quote unquote that InvestFest is a scam, but I feel like I can't really knock something until I go try it myself. So I missed the past 3 years, but this year, my friend has a booth. They're doing like some AI call center, some business, something. So I'm gonna come represent them with them as well. And I just wanna come and experience InvestFest, see what it's really about, network. Maybe I could possibly meet the right person I could do some business with long term. You know, I feel like connections are worth $1 million. They're priceless. So yeah, man, it's some quick advice for y'all. You know, stop worrying about the price tag and how much money this ticket costs. How much it costs to go out there? No, how much would it cost you to not find a business partner that you can make multi-millions of dollars with? You know, the return on investment is unlimited. You know, so and then if I don't happen to meet anybody, cool, I'm out like $2,000. We made that shit in the market today. Like, so yeah, man. Let's get to the wing spot today. I'm gonna show you if it's hidden or if it's ass, and we'll see y'all there, man. Let's get it.
What's up, my dog?
What's up?
Hey, man, who am I here with today, man?
You know it, man. Lawrence Eggleston. What's going on?
Hey, man, so I met like about 10 traders this InvestFest so far, so I want to like learn more about yourself. So,
Yeah.
you know, what are you kind of into trading?
Yeah.
How long you been trading for? And like, tell like a little introduction.
So my introduction really into trading was about basically about almost 11 years ago now. I was 16. I was in high school. I started off day trading and swing trading and long-term investing. So I always did a little bit of everything. Then I cut it down to mainly just swing trading and long-term.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And you focus on options or what trades?
Yeah, so option trading, at least like 3 to 6 months expiration. I do trade a lot of leaps as well too, and I use leverage ETFs now that they're more available.
Yeah. Guys, today we're here today with
Kimberly.
Kimberly. So today we had a full in-person mentorship right here in Houston. In Atlanta, okay, we're here at the beautiful Hyatt Hotel right now, and we see we have a lot of trucks open right now. I've taken some pretty big notes on her today, but for you, what do you feel like was your biggest takeaway after today's meeting?
Wow, so I've learned a lot just in one sitting. Ryan is a beast. He's been able to pour into me a lot and just to kind of tell me some of the things that I need to work on to level up. And I'm really, really excited. It was great. This has been a phenomenal session. So looking forward to everything.
Of course. Pretty marked up, It's looking like a rainbow right here. But listen, she knows exactly what she's doing with the charts right here. But one thing that I feel like she can improve on right now in her account is like her money management and then her discipline and her psychology about herself. Because sometimes as humans, we don't really know what we're actually capable to achieve until you find someone else that's doing way more than you and it can pour a little bit more life into you as well. So over the next few months, y'all will maybe see here. I'll be back here in Atlanta probably every other week now. And I'm gonna be keeping y'all, showing y'all her progress and how she's kind of growing every single day. And do you have any words for your future self? Any words?
Any words for my future self?
Future self.
Just go get it. I'm ready. Just go get it, lock in, and do what I need to do to be financially free.
Okay. And then as a mentor, what are you kind of looking more from me to help you get to where you want to get to, into your life?
So just that accountability, just really a sounding board, just to kind of help me level up, teaching me things because, you have a wealth of information, a wealth of knowledge, and just, your goals. Right. I mean, your goals. So just really someone to hold me accountable on this journey. So, yeah.
Yeah. And she's very young right now, guys. I'm telling you right now, we are not going to wait any more longer to get to our dream life. We're going to get there as soon as possible as we can, and building systems and mindset and structure. So if y'all right now are serious right now about trading, the last thing I'm going to leave you with right now, guys, is never ever compare your day 1 to someone's day 50. I'm putting a lot of money into each trade because I'm pretty deep into the game right now. But with Kim right now, she's on her way to greatness, and I can see it in her. I can see it happening for her. But in this next couple of months right now, what will be changing right now, in my personal opinion right now, first and foremost, is how we look at our future life and how we set up the systems to attain that success, all right? So we'll stop it right there. There's too much game for y'all. There's too much free games. We'll see you on the next one, man. Peace.
This is day 3 in Atlanta. Just woke up in the hotel. I feel amazing. Honestly, kind of tired. I was up last night pretty late. Let me show the city views. Let me show you where we're at right now. We're in downtown Atlanta, which is where all the magic happens. I'm currently waiting for my black truck to come pick me up right now from the hotel right now. So far I've met at least 60 people who are familiar with me from online, social media, trading space, all types of stuff this weekend. So it's really interesting to see how big and how far trading can take you as far as an influencer and investor yourself. So I think I've coached out of all the people that approached me this weekend, I probably coached about 6 of them. So out of 60 people, 10% of them are actually in my chat already right now. So, and 3 of them had crazy testimonies to share. I'll probably show you guys here in a second. But yeah, if there's anybody that can tell you guys to never quit on your dreams, it could be me. I literally was working jobs, 9 to 5, Steak and Shake, Taco Bell, getting fired left and right. And I'm literally waiting for a black truck in the 3rd city that I've traveled to in the past two weeks. I'm gonna tell you right now, your life could change immediately. As soon as you lock in on yourself, make a plan. Look at that, my truck pulling up right now too.
What's some advice that you can give some young bloods right now looking for love?
So look deeper than the physical.
Right.
Look deeper than the physical.
Yeah.
And then solidly commit to what the fuck it is you saying, man. If you love her, then it has to be it does not come with strings attached. You know what I'm saying?
It can't be conditional.
It can't be conditional.
It has to be unconditional love.
Correct.
Man, I'm glad to come up here. I'm all the way in Atlanta from Houston, Texas. My boy Camp Gang. I just had to show him was Vic. He's out of the city, and he's one of the best traders that I've seen on social media get our money, you have to meet him in person. So if you got him used to, or you want to make our money, we can get you paid for sure.
So yeah, right now we're in InvestFest right now. With
Free profits, Madison.
one of the top chairs in the century right now. Hey, my boy Nanya, man. What's going on, man?
Good, good.
Hey, man, so how long you been trading for, bro? How many?
3 years, bro.
3 years?
Yeah.
How about you?
3 years too.
I'm 6 years, so I'm double with both of y'all.
Shit.
All right. All right, so look, we do gotta know pretty profits and Nanya. So tell me this: people right now, they're beginners, maybe they're losing some money. What's some advice you can give someone right now that watch this video?
My advice would be that it is not your strategy, gang. Like, I've literally traded every strategy under the sun. It's not your strategy. It just gets to a point where you're gonna understand it's you're the problem, it's your psychology. Because at the end of the day, really any strategy works. It's just your glasses into the market.
Yeah.
It's just, all that matters is volume plus consistency. That's what makes a profitable trader. You have to understand that over the long run of your edge, no one trade or one win even means shit. It's all just executing consistently and winning over yourself, really, to be able to execute properly over the consistency over the long run. So yeah, that would be my advice.
Look, I agree too. Whenever you trade it too, people's biggest issue is they don't ever want to sit down and figure out what is the game plan long term. Like, compound interest is hella important. Let's go forward a little bit in the sun, right? If you don't have a proper game plan whenever you're trading, you're planning to fail. So whenever I start trading for all my students or anything like that, day one, like, build a proper money management system. Like, know what you're aiming for on a daily level, the weekly, the monthly, so you're not just trading blindly and shit. So people's biggest issue right now is they're putting the whole account into one trade, taking full ports like crazily with no edge. And like, they can win 5 trades, but in the 6th one, their account is down.
Yup.
So yeah, manage your risk, man.
Yeah, and to add on top of that, make sure you're journaling, because if you're not journaling and you're just doing these mistakes and you're like, oh, I'll fix it next time. No, you're not. You're gonna just keep going in a repetitive cycle, and you're never gonna fix it for real, because you're not gonna have documented it and you're not gonna even remember it, to be honest.
Literally.
So.
And right now, look, we're at InvestFest right now, beautiful little ATL land right now. And
yeah.
I met so many people today. It's kind of crazy. Like, people were able to notice me, notice Nonye. You know, the power of social media is crazy. Like, branding yourself.
It is.
Posting the right content, you know, being in the right place at the right time, man.
Mind you, I started posting 2 weeks ago, and look who I met.
This girl went viral.
Wonderful people.
And look, if she didn't post, I would never have DM'd her while I'm in ATL or nothing like that.
Exactly.
If you're on your content grind, post the content, man.
Get on it. Get on it. Even if you just started, document that journey. Do it.
I'm a full-time trader and investor. I'm based out of Texas, Houston. I've traded for about 6 years now. Something that I feel like I'm happy about. I helped about 30 people, 30 different families escape corporate America.
Nice.
I specialize in helping people basically invest in the stock market, trading, and kind of like building more streams of income, you know, from their phones and online. So yeah.
Oh, nice.
What's up? We just made it back from Atlanta. InvestFest was a movie. I interviewed so many people, so many different traders. I met a bunch of multi-millionaires and just expanded my community, my network. I even had an in-person student that I was working with one-on-one. And honestly, Atlanta, how would I rate InvestFest? I would say I'd give it a cool 8.5. The only reason why I wouldn't say a 9 or a 10, in my opinion, was just because I felt like some of the motivational speakers, they were just saying, yes, you will become a millionaire. You will make it. But how? I need you to break down the how too, you know. I'm gonna share for motivational speeches, but it was cool. I met, like, you know, a lot of people who are pretty, you know, big in the space too. So honestly, I would definitely be back to Atlanta. You know, I got a big in-person conference coming up here in H-Town, I believe on August the 20th. So y'all will be seeing me speaking that vlog coming up soon. But if y'all enjoy this type of vlog, type of content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll be doing a whole nother video specifically over all the interviews that I did during the InvestFest weekend. So if you want to actually stay tuned, see the interviews, all the millionaires that I spoke to, make sure you're on this channel. Make sure you guys hit the post, you know, the post button, the notifications, and I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Let's get it.